10 on Your Side was in court for the preliminary hearing of a former daycare worker. Virginia Beach police charged Jamaica Jackson with felony child neglect and abuse. She was fired from Wave Children's Learning Center last year, and then the childcare abruptly closed this spring. 10 on Your Side's Andy Fox continues our coverage with new witness testimony.
Jamaica Jackson was in court today. She is the daycare worker at Wave Children's Learning Center, and what she is accused of doing basically shut down the daycare center. As we first reported, the Learning Center settled with the 7-month-old's parents for about $900,000, which ended the school's ability to get mandatory insurance to operate. The child abuse neglect case against Jackson now headed to a grand jury.
The Commonwealth simply has to show that they think that she might be guilty or she could have probably done this. I'll concede to that point. I think it is possible that this injury could have happened when my client picked her up out of the bouncy chair.
In court, a video showed Jackson picking up the infant, but we were not allowed to record it.
She positions herself to get a good grip of her underneath her armpits and picks her up out of the bouncy chair. What they're trying to argue is that before she did that, she may have put in pressure from her thumbs onto the clavicle, and that may have caused the bruising.
And the breaking of the clavicle, which led to the criminal charges. Also testifying, Virginia Beach Police Detective E. Hubert.
Well, she is very candid with the court, in my opinion. She says the injury could have come from when the child was picked up out of the bouncy chair, or it could have come from some other place or time as well.
Another witness against Jackson, physician assistant Corinne Ponzi, part of CHKD's child abuse pediatric team.
The physician assistant, Ms. Ponzi, said that it's possible that the injury could have been sustained at that moment, but it's also possible it could have been sustained at a different time.
And she doesn't know what happened after the child left
Correct.
the camera
Correct.
view. Obviously a case that looks like it's going in the direction of creating doubt about what happened in the bouncy chair.
But I still don't think they can pinpoint a precise time when this happened. And when I watched the video, I don't see the injury being sustained at that moment.
As for Jamaica Jackson,
she's going through an extremely difficult time. Just to be accused of hurting a 7-month-old infant is very, very difficult.
So this case is certified to the grand jury. A trial date is set for October 7th. In Virginia Beach, Andy Fox, 10 on Your Side.